Hello. So I wanted to look at this Khan Academy assignment. Um, I'm not going to get a lot of detail from here, but I just kind of wanted to talk to you about what we're even doing with this. So in this Khan Academy assignment and the previous one, you're looking at the graphs of circles as defined by their center and radius or a known point on the circle. So in this assignment, you're given the circle and you're asked to find the center and the radius. So the center is actually pretty easy in this case because hopefully you can see that the furthest left point is going to be here at y is -1, and the highest point is here at x is 3. So your center is going to be right here at 3, -1. If you're not sure, however, you can find a point, an average, or you'd have to find the furthest out point anyway, but it would also work if you had this point and this point. If you averaged them, that would tell you where the middle was. But it's probably easier, since these are very accurate graphs, to just do it visually. Find the furthest point and the furthest point and go to the center of the circle. So that was the easy part. We're given, so that tells us that our center is here at 3, -1. And then the next thing they ask you to do is find the radius of the circle if it passes through this point, -1, -6. So we know that the radius is the distance, right, from the center to any point on the outside. And we're told that -1, -6 is on the circle. That's this point right here. We're told that that's on the circle. So the distance from here to the center that we found has to be the radius. So we can use that information because we have the center and we have this point, and we can just use the distance formula, right? Pythagorean theorem, to figure out what the distance between those two would be, and that would give us our radius. So that's kind of what you're dealing with when you're just defining a circle by its center and its radius or a point on the circle. In later videos, we're going to be defining circles using equations. So this is how you deal with it when you're defining a circle using a center and a radius. In another assignment, they're going to give you the center and the radius, or the center and a point on the circle, and you'll have to graph it, which is actually the easier direction to go because you just plot the center where they tell you it's going to be, and then you move your circle out the distance that you need to go or to the point that they tell you to. So that's pretty straightforward. So hopefully that all makes sense, and I will see you in the next video.